This is the Pacific Hydro Slime Barrier Care Gel. This has vegan mucin and ectosin. This was sent to me from the brand, but as always, I will give my honest review. What you're gonna notice, one, packaging, super cute that this is a plastic packaging, and it does come with a super nice lid. This would honestly be great for travel because it's pretty lightweight and it's 1.7 fluid ounces, so great for travel. This would fit beautifully in your bag. What you're gonna see too, that the gel is super lightweight but still moisturizing. What you're going to see too, this has barrier care, and that really comes from the Snail mucin. That this is going to really help you lock in any moisture. And for me, I would like to put a serum on first and then really lock this in with a serum. That this is great for if you have sensitive skin. This will help reduce any redness. And for me, I just really like this, and I found that this is a great lightweight moisturizer that really sinks into your skin and give you that really glowy skin that everyone always wants.